In algebra, variables are used as shorthand for words, a bit like text messaging, LOL. If I'm talking about students in a class, I could use n to be the number of students. N is way shorter than writing number of students. Write an expression for the number of students if 2 are away. If 2 are away, then it's the number of students in the whole class minus 2. So when we write an expression like this, n minus 2, we're saying the number of students in the class, whatever that is, minus 2 will be how many students are in the class when 2 are away. There's 2 less than however many are in there normally. Now, this expression's a very simple one, but it's really powerful in a way too, because it's saying that it doesn't matter how many kids are in the class, how many students. If I take away 2, I'll get the answer of how many are there when there's 2 away. The number of students in the class, if we double the number in the class, we write that like this, 2n. That really means 2 times n, because in algebra, what we do is we leave out the multiplication between numbers and letters because we get sick of writing it, really. So when you see 2n, you should think 2 times n. There's a hidden multiplication in here. Here are some more expressions. The number of students is increased by 20. That means I start off with n, which is the number of students, and I add on 20. That's 20 more, or an increase of 20. The number of students if we halve the number in the class. Well, when you halve, you need to divide by 2. So n divided by 2, or n over 2, which is the same thing, that's a half, is how would you write the expression for that in algebra. In the next example, it's the number of students if another class of 25 students is combined with the class. So we're going to have the n that we started off with, the number in our original class, plus another 25. Because when you combine things, you add them together. The number of students, if we triple the number in the class, well, it's 3 times as many people that are in the class, so we're going to do 3n, which really means 3 times n, because of the sneaky hiding of the multiplication. In algebra, these 2 parts of an expression, the n and the 3, have names. The n is called a variable, and that's because it can vary or change. The 3 is called a constant because it can't change. It's always 3. Doesn't matter what you do, 3 is 3. But n can store or take the place of any number.